It is applicable for airlines also, sir.
Everything where the central government is holding shares.
Shipping and airlines.
Shipping, airlines, roads, railways. There were railway services. There are 56 services there in railway. Only passenger railways is governed by government. Other services, issuing ticket, platform maintenance, service, catering, all these are private services.
Okay.
So that can be commercial. That is the difference. And earlier, railways used to take up all services.
Okay.
The quality was not good. But now, after the private management, because of responsibility and accountability, and these are services become profit.
So, what is the dividend payout of the record, sir?
Until now, the government will get share, because the government is having shareholding in those companies.
Sir.
If there is a profits, the company will declare dividends to every shareholder.
Okay.
The same way the government also declare dividend to the central government, because it is having shareholders.
Yeah.
Shares. So all the shares will be in the name of President of India.
Okay.
So the dividend will also go to President. So now the management, not by the government, management by private management. It will be appointed by the government or shareholders management. All shareholders will elect the management. They will look after the board of directors, and management will be decided. And they will carry on the activities.
Okay.
Because of this change in management and responsibility, accountability in the last 10 years, some of the companies are showing profitability. We have seen SJVN, RVNL, IRCON, Railway Construction Company, Railway Finance Corporation, NHPC. Many companies were showing not showing much profits. But now, after 3-4 years, from last 3-4 years, every company is showing profitability. So the government is getting share. For this year, the government is expecting, last year, 22-23 financial year,
Sir.
the government is expecting around 2,61,150 crores as dividend from these companies shareholding.
Okay, it's I think 27% higher, sir.
This is nearly more than 22% compared to last year dividend.
Okay.
This 21-22, the dividend was lesser, and for this year, the government share of government,
Okay.
and government is holding shares in many banks, Indian Overseas Bank, UCO Bank, many national banks, State Bank of India. Every bank is giving dividend, and also Reserve Bank is also will give dividend to the government. All these are put together. For this year, last year, 2023, the dividend paid by these central public enterprises nearly 2,61,149 crores, which is 22% more than last year.
Till March, sir, it has shows
March 23.
23.
Because all these accounts will be finalized in the month of July.
March, yeah.
Auditing will be completed, and the report will be filed, and that will be accepted by the C&AG. And that will take some time. That will result into maybe in the month of December only, the final results will come for all the CPSEs. And the dividend will come after the acceptance of the accounts by the C&AG. So all these central public enterprises are governed by C&AG, C&AG Department of Central Government, where the government shareholding is, where there is a government shareholding.
Sir, what is this dividend by non-financial CPS, sir?
Finance companies are banks.
Okay.
Insurance company, insurance company, general insurance, LIC, some non-banking finance companies are there. All these are financial. Non-finance sector is BSNL, NHPC, SJVN, RVNL, IRCON. All these are non-finance sector. Okay. So that is the difference between non-financial and financial. Okay. So financial companies are also giving dividend to government. Also the non-financial companies also giving dividend. Both put together, the government could receive 2,61,000 crores as dividend for the year 2023. The government's collection of dividend, receipt of dividend from the financial CPSE sector is more than the expectation in the budget.
Okay.
Because the budget reflects, in the budget the government will reflect its expected dividend from the public sector enterprises.
Okay.
So the government expected some amount of dividend, but the government is receiving more than the expectation. Okay. Means all the public sector entities are showing better profits. Yeah, everything is taxable.
Oh, yeah.
Even the central public entity also has to pay tax as other companies. There is no exemption. All rules they have to follow. Maybe labor rules, taxation rules, service, GST, or industrial dispute. Everything they have to follow, just like other companies. They have to pay tax on that. After tax only the company will declare dividend. This is the share of the dividend to the government. This is the first time we have received so much of dividend after so much of dividend since incorporation of these companies, maybe 50s. BHEL is there, BEL is there, and Bharat Dynamics. All these companies are public sector companies. So these are examples, and those are giving the dividend share to the company based on shareholding. So this is the first time we are giving the companies that show more profits and more share of dividends to the government. This is one of the success story of central government performance with responsible and accountable management.
Okay.
That is most important. Earlier it was not accountable, the management was not responsible, so that was there were many losses to companies.
Okay.